Hi guys, Nagaraj here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new for this channel, please do subscribe. Hi guys, welcome back to my another video. In this video, we'll see how to read and write on TXT file in using Java. I just created read and write text file class. Here we can see the main method. To read and write, first let's see how we can do the read operations. So we have one class called file reader equal to now I'm creating the object for file reader class. Need to import it. It is available in java.io package. Okay, it takes some value, something like the file where we exist. So I kept my txt file in D drive in Java folder. So here I created one sample file .txt file. Here I written some text here, right? This I want to read it. That's the requirement, right? So let me copy this path. I will paste it over the Eclipse. The file path I am mentioning here. It is sample file, sample.txt. This is my file name. So let me, it asks some to add the throw declarations. So for that, what I'm doing, let me use some try catch block so that whenever we get some exceptions, right? So it will be handling. As we are working on the file related operations, definitely we need to handle this exception as well. So e dot something print. Okay, so now this is done. So now I will call the one more method, that is buffered reader. Let me create buffered reader object, new buffered reader. It takes the file reader object as a parameter, that is for file reader object. Let me import this package as well. This also again coming from the Java IO package, buffer reader, Java IO package. I think some spelling mistake here. Yeah, buffer reader. Okay. Now, if you see the br dot read line, see if you take this read line, right, it is giving me the string output. That is, it returns me the string str. If you use this one, right, it is giving one by one data. So as I mentioned here in the sample file, it reads the first data. It will read the first data of the Excel. So I want to read all the things, right? So in order to do that, just I am using some while loop. Let me use a while loop while str is equal to br dot read lines. Let me put it whole in one parenthesis. And just I'm checking like whether it is, if it is not null, not equal to null, then only here just I'm checking one condition, like if there is no data, or if it is not null, then don't go inside it. This is the best way of writing the code. Here just I'm declaring the str here. That's enough for me. This out. So I am just, so now here this while loop, right, one by one it will read till it get the end. Once it read all the element in the txt file, then only it will come out of the loop. Now let me run this program. So the program should read all the content inside the .txt file. This is the one way of reading the files. Let me show you. There are some multiple way also in the interview. They may ask like how before using the file reader, how you can read this .txt file. Okay, for that purpose, let me use we can also use for this one by using this is using file reader class. Using file reader class, and I will use next one. I will use using file class. How we can use the file class to read the text from the txt file. So similarly, I need to create a file for an object for file class. It should take again I'm taking the same parameters. same path I need to pass it into the file. So we need to use file class. I just imported. Here you can use scanner class. Scanner scar is equal to new scanner class. Here I can pass this. Okay, should be the file, right? Anything you can use. Let me use file here. Scanner class. Just importing the java.util package. Its scanner class is available. So here again, I will use the while loop to just to extract the data str dot. Sorry, it should be a has next dot has next. So inside, I just printing out scr dot next. So this will gives us the data which is available in the .txt file. Okay, see this I can see that's the data Java program Ruby. So this is not in the same line, right? So this we can avoid by to avoid that, just you can use here scanner dot next line. So if you use this next line method, you can avoid those kind of mismatch. Now you can able to read those data. This is the second way of doing. So we can have one more way also. We can able to extract the data from the .txt file. So this I am telling just let me comment out this line. So let me use the same str. Just using, you can use .delimiters. Use delimiter. The pattern will be something like the backslash and z. So this also will provide the list of values. So directly I can use has not dot scr dot next. So this will provide you the whole data. So whichever the data is available, not one by one, it's a whole set of data it will return. So let me run this program so you can able to see the expected output it is printing. So it is reading the data from the .txt file. So this is how the different way we can able to fetch the data from the .txt file. Now we'll see how we can write the data, right? It is similar to the read only, just we need to use file writer. Let me create a file writer class for file writer class object, and let me pass the same path, but instead of overwriting the same thing, let me use one more file name. Okay, so here I can see there is only a sample file is available, but if I use other than the file available in that particular path, it will going to create the file and it will write the data which we are expecting. Okay, so let me file writer IO, just imported the class buffered writer is equal to new buffered writer. Here it takes the fw as a parameter, here file writer as a parameters. Let me import the same. It is available in java.io package. So now we need to write whatever the text we want to write over there. So bw.write. So let me write something like some text I have written. So once if you write this one, right, we need to close this object, otherwise it won't print properly. It won't print. We need to close the object of it, right? Dot close. So now what I did, just we created the file writer class. We provided the path, new file we have created, and we return some text on .txt file. Let me run this. Okay, so it is running the below code as well, right? Let me comment out this as well. And once I run, I will make sure I should get some confirmation like whether it got written or not. These steps are completed or not. So let me write some sysout statement is something like that. If the done is executed, that means it has written some data on the .txt file. Just let me run this program. So it is displaying done means it has written the data. See, it is created a sample 111 file. Let me open this. See, it is showing me in all the data in the single line. So we can avoid this by using the /n. So it will going to take into the next line. Every time when you are writing something, it will take to the next line of the .txt file. See, it is done. Now let me again go back and run this. See, it is giving me the expected output. It is written the data which we expected. Still, if you have any doubt on this particularly read and write data to the .txt file, how to handle the read and write .txt file, please put it in comment sections if you have any doubt, and we'll see in the next video, guys. If you like this video, please hit like button. Please share with your friend, those who are looking for this Java concept. Do subscribe for the further useful videos. Thank you.